Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container cabin built using only $36,000. Stay tuned to find out how they built this amazing container cabin on a small budget. Welcome back. This single-story container cabin is made from three 20-foot shipping containers. The containers are arranged in parallel, side by side, creating a total of over 480 square feet of habitable space. The containers sit on a concrete strip foundation with two concrete piers at the center for additional support. This raised position elevates the containers above the ground, away from moisture. In addition, the elevated position creates an ideal height to build an outdoor deck. The containers were delivered by truck and hoisted onto the foundation using a forklift, then welded together and also welded onto the steel plates embedded in the concrete where the container corner blocks rest. Using timber trusses covered with corrugated steel sheets, a gentle gable roof was added above the house to protect the containers from the elements by avoiding water from pooling on top, causing corrosion. In addition, this roof helps to keep the interior spaces cooler during hot weather. All the internal container walls were cut out to create a big open-plan house layout. Apart from the interior container walls that were cut out and removed, the most exciting bit about this design is that no other openings were cut out into the container for windows or doors. All the openings are within the standard frame walls behind the container cargo doors. The open space in the cargo doors was framed out using timber to accommodate big windows and a door. The openings were closed off using OSB boards and the door and the window shutters fixed to make the interior space watertight. The OSB boards were later covered with horizontal siding for a beautiful exterior finish. Galvanized steel was used to frame out the interior of the container walls and to install the interior partitions, helping to demarcate the bedroom and the bathroom spaces. Electrical wiring and plumbing was also installed before insulation. All the container walls and ceiling were insulated using spray foam insulation and lined with plasterboard. To save on the headroom of the interior space, the containers were insulated on the top under the attic space in the roof. To double up the limited indoor space inside the cabin, a big outdoor deck stretching the entire front of the house was added. A small wooden staircase connecting the deck anchors the building onto the ground as the main access to the large outdoor deck fronting the entrance to the house. Apart from the impressive exterior, the house is of the highest quality even on the inside. On the inside, there is no feeling of confinement, synonymous with container spaces. A standard white solid front door welcomes you into a well-lit open-plan living space fully furnished to meet the home's spatial needs. Worth noting is the ingenious house layout design with almost no indoor partitions. The private spaces of the cabin, that is the bathroom and the bedroom, are cleverly located at the corners with the remaining space used as an open-plan living area. The entrance door opens into a big lobby with a wooden shelf, a metal fire rack, and a big wood-burning stove at the far corner. The entrance door swings behind a well-appointed office desk with a nice view through the window. The kitchen is a compact modern space tucked between the bathroom and the bedroom. The open kitchen flows seamlessly into the open living space. The kitchen is fully equipped with nice wooden countertop and all the essential kitchen appliances. The entire kitchen is fitted with custom white overhead and under-the-counter kitchen cabinets for additional storage. Next to the kitchen is a sizable round-shaped dining table that can comfortably seat four, an intimate space for dining and entertainment. The remaining part of the living room is a lounge space fitted with modern furnishings with a cozy sofa, an easy chair, a custom coffee table, and a beautiful floor mat to define the lounge area. On the far ends of the kitchen is a big bathroom and bedroom. The bedroom is fitted with a bunk bed to maximize on space and provide additional sleeping space. Worth noting is the chamfered entrances to these two spaces. They all have door curtains as opposed to swing doors to save on indoor space. The house is fitted with high-performance windows for maximum daylighting and unrestricted views. The windows can be opened to allow for cross breezes and natural ventilation. The color palette for the house interior is light to create an interior space that is bright and modern with clean lines throughout, embellished with selected furniture pieces and accessories. The house floor is finished with high-quality flooring, which gives the indoors a sleek, modern look. From the living room, a big solid door opens onto a big outdoor deck, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor interaction for an amazing outdoor living experience. The deck offers a great place for entertaining and enjoying the view, surrounded by trees which provide additional shade for the spacious deck. From outside, there is no secret this is a shipping container house. The grooves of the raw shipping containers are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial language of the design. In addition, the original container cargo doors were left intact to serve as shutters to the openings and to safely secure the cabin when not in use. The total cost of building this amazing home was $36,000. The engineer's house layout of this particular cabin is our most outstanding feature of the house. Which part of this house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you have a shipping container project or a container rental, you can have it featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Kindly get in touch on our website sheltermode.com or contact us at Sheltermode on all social media pages.